release date and price. The latest rumor said that DJI Mavic Air 2 will be launched in April 2020. This was reported by Chinese drone site Kanzhagi on March 10. Naturally, there is some uncertainty about the launch dates due to the coronavirus outbreak. However, if the company truly plans to launch the product on April 2020, the company will probably start off with pre-orders. The price of this drone hasn't been released yet, but according to the previous drones from DJI, it is expected that this price tag of DJI Mavic Air will be around $1,800 to $1,600. Design. Based on the 5 photos leaked by Kanzhagi, the new DJI Mavic will closely resemble the Mavic 2 series, but with a smaller size, and the drone will also have 4 arms that can be folded and squeezed into a backpack. According to the leaked pictures, the new Mavic Air will have the 360-degree obstacles avoidance, which is perfect for beginners. It also includes DJI's dual vision system, infrared sensors, and auxiliary LEDs. The controller. The recent leaked DJI photos also revealed a new controller design, which is significantly different from the Mavic Airs. It is a lot bigger than the previous Mavic Air controller. Rather than a single switch in the middle for sport mode, the controller of this new Mavic Air now seems to have a 3-way toggle for the normal, sport, and tripod modes. From the pictures, it seems like the controller will have a handy screw-in joystick, which you can unscrew when you put it on your backpack. Specs and features. Although the specs and features of this latest Mavic Air 2 hasn't been released yet, many believe that the drone will come with a new safety system called AirSense. DJI said last year that all new drones from the brand which gonna be released from 2020 and weigh over 250 grams will include AirSense tech, which receive ADS-B signals from nearby airplanes and helicopters to warn you from any collision possibilities with your drone. The current Mavic Air is able to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second at a decent bitrate of 100 Mbps and 12 megapixel stills from its 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor. Thus, it is possible that this new Mavic will have new color profiles or HDR video. The currently available Mavic Air series can last 19 to 30 minutes in the air. This may suggest that this latest drone will also last around that time range. Early verdict. The currently leaking pictures suggest that the release of this latest DJI drone will probably have similar price tag to the current Mavic Air, and of course with safer and more stable flying, a longer battery life, and a new controller.